Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Bitcoin Case, and today we will be reviewing GraB BTC. Grab Bitcoin every hour for life. That's right. This is a new site for 2020, earlier this year, but it's one of the hottest sites for earning free Bitcoin and altcoins already. So let's take a look. Let's jump right into it. Just like any site, you can sign up using your email, password, etc. Once you're in the site, this is your dashboard here. You'll see at the top you have the ways to earn, the offer walls, short links, 3 awesome contests you can be a part of, a lottery, of course you can access the support here, and you can set up all of your account settings and check your withdrawal and deposit history under the account tab here. And of course, log out means log out. Here on the dashboard, you can also see some of the contest and the lottery. And before I get any further along in this video, you are paid in bits. And I believe until Bitcoin is basically above 20,000 or the new all-time high, 1 bit equals 1 Satoshi. So you see, for 10 bits or 10 Satoshi, you can buy a lottery ticket. And as you can see, the prize is pretty nice. Referral contest prize, very nice as well. The link contest is a short links contest, whoever completes the most short links. And the offer wall contest works the same way. Take a look at the ways to earn. Faucet, one of the oldest and longest ways to get free Bitcoin. So we'll go here, switch to recapture. I like that better. Motorcycles. Let's click all the motorcycles and verify. Roll to win. You can see the lucky numbers here and the corresponding reward if you roll. We won 17 bits. You can claim from the faucet hourly, totally free. They offer a brave cashback offer and short links. We'll take a quick look at that. Here you can complete short links. It'll take you through a series of ads. You'll have to close the ads and get a link at the end. And when you're finished, you'll win the corresponding reward of bits. As you can see, there's quite a few. Currently, 315 bits total. Now you can complete these all once per day. Paid to click ads, another way to earn. If you've ever been a member of a paid to click site, you know exactly how this works. But if not, these are the ads available. You simply click on visit, and it'll open a new tab, and you can view an ad for the corresponding amount of time. And then you'll be rewarded in Satoshi after this time bar fills up. You'll want to select the image. And we receive 2 bits for the ad. Close the redirect. And so you can view as many or as little as you like here. New ones come throughout the day, so you want to check back as often as you like. Also on the earning list are jobs. Various jobs that you are rewarded in bits for. Some very simply for making forum posts, making a YouTube video, making a post on Twitter, and various other ones. It's really a great way to earn. If you want to be active on GraB BTC, you are definitely rewarded. So let's take a look at one of the most interesting things. The accumulated referral rewards program. If you'd like to get your friends involved and refer them and let them know about great programs, then this would actually benefit you greatly. You're rewarded by the amount of referrals. Once you gain a certain amount, you see what you can earn in bits, all the way up to a massive 30,000 referrals. You would earn 0.69844,270 Bitcoin, almost 70 million Satoshi. And like I said, rewards remain about the same until Bitcoin reaches 20K. So these may not last much longer. We'll see. Before we go any further, while we're talking about referrals, here on the left side, you can view your referrals. Your promo tools are in there where you can get your referral link that you will share. Anybody that clicks that link and joins is your referral. You can purchase referrals on site. Here also is where you would set up some of your advertising and view the statistics. Also, another way you're rewarded for being active on GraB BTC. If you make a forum post when you're paid and post proof, you get 100 Satoshi. Another exciting feature, GraB BTC, the achievements. You're rewarded for being active. It's a great site if you enjoy earning free Bitcoin, and who doesn't? So over time, as you make faucet claims, you see the corresponding rewards and the amount of faucet claims needed to reach that. Once you've reached those, these buttons will say claim, and you can claim your rewards. The longer and more active you are on the site, you can see you're highly rewarded. Some are even free upgrades. So you have a chance to earn a huge amount of Bitcoin on GraB BTC. There's a few other things. You can use your device to mine. Not as effective as many of the other earning ways, but this is something else you can do to earn some free bits. There's also an investment game, which is calls and puts. It's options. I wouldn't recommend risking your Bitcoin this way, but if you know what you're doing and you enjoy it, maybe it's for you, maybe it's not. Just another way that you can earn on GraB BTC. And you can see redeeming a coupon is promo codes and such. On the offer wall, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different offer walls. So pretty much unlimited earnings there. The contest. We have a referrals contest, which runs monthly. You can see the current leaders and the prizes associated with each position. Very lucrative if you can refer. As we said before, the short links contest is also monthly. You get points for completing short links. And here's the prizes. Once again, if you're active on GraB BTC, you have a shot at this. Can be yours. And also the offer walls contest. Running monthly as well. Top 20 users awarded. You can see the prizes. It's an awesome, awesome earning site. Let's take a look at the memberships. Free members in 3 different memberships. You can see the prices for each. You get a faucet multiplier, higher referral commission on offer walls, short links as well from your referrals. Higher upgrades have lower minimum withdrawals. And you can check the stats from here. So that about wraps up our review today of GraB BTC, one of the best free Bitcoin and crypto earning sites available today. The link, of course, will be in the description. My final rating of GraB BTC probably matches that of most of its users. It's highly recommended, 100% legit. They are paying, and you have a great chance to stack sats and increase your crypto with GraB BTC. Give it a shot, folks. It's worth it. It's worth your time. Free crypto is free crypto, right? It's always worth your time. Once again, I'm Bitcoin Case. Thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you next time.